This is your host, Jonathan at Rock Rose Film. Today we're going to talk about how to create the perfect slip solution for clear armor to protect your front windshield. Let's go ahead and talk about clear armor. Clear armor, with the way that it is manufactured, has some proprietary adhesive that is a little bit stronger than your normal window tint, such as the carbon, nanoceramic, air nanoceramic. And so what we're going to have to do is create a specific mixture for our slip solution that'll help the clear armor adhere to your front windshield. First steps on making the slip solution, what we're going to recommend is Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. With the shampoo, it's an industry standard, so everybody loves to use it, does a great job. And one thing that it allows the film to really slip really well so you can place it into the perfect position. As well, it is gentle and mild, so it's not going to deteriorate the film long term, meaning it'll last longer. It's also clear, so it doesn't create any type of weird haze or discoloration. Next item that we recommend is a gallon of distilled water. Reason that Rock Rose Film loves distilled water is it's not going to clog any type of lines, it's not going to create, again, any type of weird haze, leave any type of residue. So let's go ahead and get started on creating this perfect slip solution. Again, this is going to be a little bit stronger than your traditional window tint slip solution, such as the premium carbon, nanoceramic, air nanoceramic. It's actually going to be 3 times stronger. So a normal slip solution is going to be 2 ounces of your Johnson & Johnson's baby soap for every gallon of distilled water. Now with this, we're going to multiply that times 3. So we're going to have 6 ounces of Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo to 1 gallon of water. And again, we're doing that because clear armor, the way that it is manufactured, and for it to adhere to the front of your windshield properly, the slip solution has to be a little bit stronger because the adhesive is stronger, so we don't want it to get stuck where you're trying to install. So let's go ahead and make this awesome mixture here. So what we're going to do is have these 6 ounces of the Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo here, 6 ounces. Go ahead and pour that into your 1 gallon of your distilled water. Next step is to place your cap on, give that a good shake. Then what you want to do is take this and pour this into your 5-gallon pressurized sprayer. So we're going to do this 2 more times, so we're going to have a total of 3 gallons of our slip solution. Again, that perfect ratio for the clear armor only is going to be 6 ounces of Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo to 1 gallon of the distilled water. So we're going to have a total of 3 gallons of that slip solution in your 5-gallon pressurized sprayer. Now then there's going to be 2 gallons of air at the top. And again, what you'll do is you'll take a air compressor to pressurize this, and that'll last you all day. And again, that is Rock Rose's perfect slip solution for your clear armor needs. Hope you guys have a fantastic day.